last week of our class already. So we are in week 7, and here's all that we have left to do. This week, we're going to be learning about inheritance and natural selection. So looking at how those traits are passed from one parent to its offspring, one generation to the next. Looking at some of those genetic disorders that might occur as well. We looked at mutations and changes and misfolds in proteins last time. So this week we're going to be looking at inheritance and natural selection here. So here's our readings, section 7.3 from chapter 7, just one section. So looking at errors and meiosis. Chapter 8, looking at Mendel's experiments, the laws of inheritance. And then chapter 11, looking at evolution and speciation. So how we go from here in terms of those changes and mutations. Here's some PowerPoint slides to help some of you explain and visualize some of the information that you'll be reading, as well as some additional videos and tutorials. Just a few things to do for this week. So your discussion post, you're going to choose one. You can do both if you'd like, but all you have to do is just choose one. Either chromosomal abnormalities. So you're going to describe a cause of a disorder, chromosomal abnormality. What are the symptoms? What are the causes? How often does it occur? And anything interesting in terms of a therapy or anything like that. Or you can talk about natural selection, where you classify the adaptation from a chosen organism. And was it a directional selection? Was it selectional stabilizing selection? And talk about that. So either one of these two topics, totally fine. You also have an assignment here. You just click on this link and complete the assignment using Punnett squares, and then your final exam. So your initial post for your discussion, again, just one prompt is due Thursday. Your 2 follow-up responses due by Sunday, and then your Punnett square assignment and your final exam also due by Sunday. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to some really great discussions online this week.